guys, welcome back. I'm very sorry about the lighting. Not lighting. Yeah. Ooh. I'm sorry about that right there, like this. That it's because we're moving, and today I just wanted to show you one of my secret recipes with Doritos, with only lemon, Doritos, and the chili Valentina. Let's get on to the video. Wait, oh my god. Whoa! I'm in the other side of the kitchen. You know what? Every window is open. Like, okay, that's good. There you go. Oh my god, this is actually pretty good. Oh. Okay, so all you're gonna need is a plate and some Doritos. Wait, 3, 2. Oh my god. I know I didn't do that jump right, but I'm done. Okay, and some. Actually, a lemon. And cut this lemon. I couldn't. Kidding. 1, 2. And it's cut in half. So yeah, like it doesn't matter. Let me find the Valentina. Like we have nothing in the cabinets. Like, we have nothing in the cabinets. It's like super sad. Like, do you guys want to see it? Nothing in there. I'm pretty sure you can see some of it. I don't know. And nothing in our medicine one. Like, what the heck? What happened? Nothing in that one. Wait, is there something in this? Nothing in that one. Like, tomorrow, all we have to do is take out like our beds, our counters, and stuff like that. So we literally already have like the plates and everything at the house. Okay, so you need a plate with Doritos. They need to be crunched. Okay guys, the fastest way is this. Wait, I'll come back to you guys when it's all cracked, because like right now it's like what? And then this is what it looks like. I don't want to drop them. This is what it looks like, all kind of stuff. The next thing you need to do is the lemon. Are you kidding me? I'll just have to squeeze it. Oh my god, super sorry about that voice. Like, okay, all we need to do is squeeze the lemon onto the Doritos. Squeeze the lemon onto the Doritos. Oh yeah, did you hear my sister scream? It's like, she's very crazy, like, I'm gonna say that from now. She's very crazy. Cray-cray. Not cray-cray, but like, she's just crazy. She has a Snapchat, I just don't know what it is. But I'm not gonna tell you any of her social media because, like, really? I would do that. I'm also not gonna give her her Snapchat because she won't follow you back. Like, I know my sister. She's very, like, okay. She's not. You know what? I'm not even gonna talk about her. But as you could see, I already put like the lemon and the. Like, I wish I had a vlogging camera. That's what I like saving up to get because I want to be a vlogger when I grow up. I know I'm not gonna make any money out of that because like nobody would subscribe to me. Like, people don't subscribe to me, I guess. I mean, okay guys, I don't want to make this super long video, so I just kept on talking while I was making my beautiful, amazing Doritos. They look the same, but they're really good. It's not weird food combination, but it's really good. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you loved this video today. Right there. And my next video is a house tour. Oh my god. Ah! Kidding. Oh my god. I can't believe that. Comment down below, request you want what videos I should do, Q&A, whatever you guys want me to do. But I will do it because just not really, it's not 3 a.m. videos. Okay, so just thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Give this a thumbs up, a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Turn on my notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. See you on my next video. Mwah.